In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or set the date range in Looker Studio, whether you're adjusting it for an individual chart, an entire page, or the complete report. So, let's dive right in and explore these steps together to ensure that your data is always being presented exactly how you want it. First, let's start with fixing an individual chart's date range. To do this, you'll need to open your report in edit mode. With the report open, click on the particular chart or scorecard you wish to adjust. Once you've selected it, head over to the Setup panel. Look for a section labeled Default Date Range. Here, you have a couple of options. You can choose Auto, which uses the connector's default settings, such as Google Analytics 4 that typically defaults to the last 28 days. Alternatively, you can opt for Custom, where you specify either a fixed date range, for example, January 1st to April 30th, or a rolling range, such as the last 30 days. A handy tip for you: there's a known bug where the calendar pop-up might render off-screen, especially when you're setting the default date range. If this happens, an easy workaround is to simply zoom out your browser view to about 50 to 75%, which should make the calendar fully visible. Moving on, let's discuss how to set a report-wide default date range. Start once more in Edit mode, and then navigate to File and select Report Settings. Within the panel that appears, switch to the Setup tab and scroll down to find the default date range setting. Similar to the individual chart, you can choose either Auto or Custom here. Set your desired fixed or rolling date window, and this will apply to the entire report. Next, we'll cover defining a page-level date range. You'll remain in Edit mode and go to Page, then select Current Page Settings. Under the Setup tab, you can adjust the default date range for just that single page. Again, choose between Auto or Custom to tailor the display to what suits your needs best. Finally, if you want to give viewers the power to adjust the dates themselves, you can add an interactive date range control to your report. To do this, select Insert, then Control, and choose Date Range Control. Place it on your canvas wherever it's most convenient. After inserting it, a Properties panel will pop up. Set the default date range as Auto or Custom based on your preference. You can also customize its appearance to fit your report's style by making adjustments under the Style tab. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing date ranges in Looker Studio. With these steps, you can ensure that your reports consistently reflect the most accurate and relevant data. Whether you're tweaking an individual chart or setting a date for an entire report, these adjustments should now be a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting.